So let's learn XLOOKUP today. Here we have our data, and in H2 I want the total amount based on date. So I will insert the formula that is equals to XLOOKUP, then search key with G2, comma, lookup range. That's where I want to search G2, that's F column, then comma, then result range, it's D to D, that's D column, and press enter. So when I search 20th January, we got 10,000 amount. That's how we use XLOOKUP. What if there is no result? Let's see how we tackle this. Enter our formula, that is equals to XLOOKUP, search key is G2, then lookup range is F column, and result range is D column. Press enter. So this value is not available in column F. The search key is not available in the column F. In this case, we can add the fourth argument, that's missing value, and it's not available. So here XLOOKUP is working as IFERROR function. That's the beauty of XLOOKUP function. Let's get into match mode. There are 4 match modes and we are going to see them one by one. So let's check out our match mode 0, that's default, that we don't need to add, and it returns the exact match. So XLOOKUP, search key is T2, lookup range is F column, column D. If it's not available, return NA. The match mode is 0. That's exact match. If I find 26th January in the range, we will see the 8500 value in column D. What if we remove 0? Nothing will happen because it's a default mode and we don't need to enter it. There are 3 more match modes. Let's learn the next one. Match mode 1. So here we have exact mode 1, that's an exact match or the next value that is bigger than the search key. When we don't find the search key in the lookup range and the mode is set on 1, it's gonna find the value that is bigger than the search key. And in our case, it's 26th Jan and the formula has written 8500. That's exactly what we wanted because the search mode is 1. Similarly, if we change it to -1, this match mode will return an exact match or the next value that is lower than the search key. So 24 is lower than 25th January and the total amount is 7200 and it matches with our result. Match mode 2 is wildcard match. In some cases we might need to use a wildcard function. Here we have the first name of the sales representative, that's Alice, and we are going to use XLOOKUP with wildcard, that's G2, then %, then asterisk and double quote one more time. The asterisk represents the wildcard, so it will search for G2 and whatever comes after G2. Then comma, then lookup range is sales reps, comma, then result range, that's total amount, and let's press enter. This won't work because we have forgot to add match mode, wildcard match mode. Missing value can be black and search mode is 2, and as you can see, when I set the search mode on 2, that's wildcard, we have got the amount, that's 10,000. Now let's learn the search modes. In this example we are going to see 2 search modes, that's -1 and 1. So 1 is to search from first entry to last one. By default XLOOKUP search from the first entry to the last one. So here we have 226 January. Let's change it to 226 January. And as you can see, it has returned the 8500 result. This is our search key, it's our lookup range, and it's our result range. It's our missing value. This is our match mode, that's 0, that's exact match, and this is our search mode, that's 1. So if we remove 1, nothing is gonna happen because by default 1 is the search mode XLOOKUP set on. If in case you want to search from the last entry to the first, you can change the search mode to -1. So it has written 15,000, and when we search 15,000, it's last entry in our result column. And there are two search modes, that's 2 and -2. 2 is to search through the range using binary search and assuming the range is sorted in ascending order. You can use this mode when there is large data set you want to speed up the process. If you have large data set, you can use these modes and keep the data in ascending or descending order, and depend on your data you can use the appropriate search mode. I hope you liked today's video, and if you liked it, please like the video and share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the channel for more such Google Sheet and Google Workspace related tutorials.